In today's lesson, we're going to learn professions and occupations, how to say different jobs in Albanian, hear the pronunciation, and practice together. So, let's get started. So first, profesione is professions. Profesione. Let's first start with some common jobs. Mësues, teacher, or mësuese in the feminine. So first, I will say the masculine one, and then the English translation, and then the feminine one with the e. Mësues, teacher. Mësuese. Mjek, doctor, or mjeke, or it can be doktor. And for the feminine, doktoresh. Infermier, nurse. Infermiere. Engineer, engineer. Ingegnere. Pictor, painter. Pictore. Avocat, lawyer. Avocate. Now some specialist professions. Farmacist, pharmacist. Farmaciste. Architect, architect. Architecte. Electricist, electrician. Electriciste. Mechanic, mechanic. Mecaniche. Veterinaire, veterinarian. Veterinere. Gazetar, journalist. Gazetare. And lastly, some service and trade jobs. Kasap, butcher. Kasape. Hydraulic, plumber. Hydraulike. Berber, for barber. Berber. Or parrucchiere, for hairdresser, for female. Parrucchiere. Camarier, waiter. Camariere, waitress. Camarier. Camariere. Some sample sentences. Ajo është doktoresh. She is a doctor. Ajo është doktoresh. Motra ime është infermiere. My sister is a nurse. Motra ime është infermiere. Ai punon si mësues. He works as a teacher. Ai punon si mësues. And parrucchieria pret flokët. The hairdresser cuts hair. Parrucchieria pret flokët. And here you have the full list of professions that we learned today. Maybe you can pause the video and read through them again. I won't repeat them for you, but here is a slide including them all in order for you to either take notes or pause the video and read them, or take a screenshot if that helps you. And that's all for today's lesson, professions and occupations in Albanian. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to Shqipify and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next vocabulary lesson. Comment below which profession do you have or which would you like to have in Albanian. If you're serious about becoming fluent in Albanian, please send me an email at shqipify@gmail.com, which you can find in the description below. I will see you in our next video.